Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about celery, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with celery. So if you're looking for some new recipe or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein foods category, and that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, there's almonds, almond butter, bacon, beans in general, beef, chestnuts, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, hazelnuts, lentils, nuts in general, peanuts and peanut butter, peas, pecans, pistachios, pork, shrimp, and other seafood in general, snow peas, sunflower seeds, turkey, and walnuts. In the vegetable category, other vegetables that blend well with celery would include artichokes, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery root, chives, cucumbers, endive, fennel, garlic, greens in general of all types, kohlrabi, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, scallions, shallots, squash, and that includes winter and summer squash, tomatoes, turnips, water chestnuts, and watercress. In the way of fruits that go well with celery, there's apples, grapes, lemon, lime, oranges, pears, pineapples, raisins, and strawberries. In the way of grains and grain products, there is barley, breadcrumbs, bulgur, corn, pasta, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there is butter, browned butter, cheese, especially blue cheese, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, goat cheese, Parmesan cheese, and Swiss cheese. And there's cream and yogurt as well. In the other foods category, there's capers, maple syrup, mayonnaise, mustard as in prepared mustard like Dijon mustard, oil, especially nut oil, olive oil, and even walnut oil in particular, soy sauce, and vinegar. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.